Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're here for the first time, I love you and thank you for finding me. So if this is not your first time, thank you. It's you guys that keep me in business. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my strawberry whipped cream for my cakes. And this whipped cream recipe is very delicious and I like to use it for chocolate cakes. Yeah, I know you think I'll say strawberry cakes, but it's amazing with chocolate cakes. You should try it and tell me what you think. It is awesome. I've gotten wonderful feedbacks about this recipe with chocolate cakes in particular. Okay, so for this recipe today we're going to be needing 200 grams of whipped cream, heavy whipping cream for cake decorators. I've talked about this several times. And also you're going to be needing 100 grams of icing sugar. So you want to, it doesn't have to be sifted. I don't normally sift my icing sugar because I do the lazy girl method all the time. So, and then you want to whip it with your hand mixer or with your stand mixer, whichever one you have. So it's important for me to remind you guys again, I say it in most of my videos, my whipped cream videos, that if you want to buy whipped cream that is stable and that will hold well in whatever conditions, you should buy it from a cake decorating store or a store where they sell cake decorating or supplies for pastry chefs. That's because those whipping creams they sell there, it's usually slightly more expensive, but they have very good whipping properties and they're made specifically for whipping. It's not just those regular ones you buy from the grocery store that you whip and have to add gelatin and anything. I don't add anything to my whipped cream and it whips perfectly. Okay, so without digressing too much, you want to add a pinch of salt because I basically add salt to almost everything I do because it brings the flavor together a little bit more and puts everything together as best as possible. Okay guys, to our whipped cream we want to add 3 tablespoonfuls of strawberry jam. So this strawberry jam, I have the recipe on this channel, and you can type in the search words in my channel and then you find the recipe. I have the recipe on this channel and you'd really love it. It's amazing and it's very easy to make, and the consistency is perfect for cake fillings and also for using it as garnishes and stuff. So you're going to be needing 3 tablespoonfuls for your whipped cream, and then you're going to keep whipping. So you want to whip this until it gets to the desired consistency you want, which is usually very thick if you're going to be frosting a chocolate cake with it, and it is very, very delicious. So guys, if you want the recipe to my whipped cream, you can also search on my channel. I would have said I'll put the link right up here, but I hardly put these links, and you guys ask me in the comment section because I have so much to I'm doing a lot at the same time and I post every day, so it's a little bit difficult for me to get to this thing, so I'm really sorry. So if you want any recipe on my channel, if you want anything, just go open my channel and then just type in the words and you will find it, maybe a keyword or something. So thank you guys for always watching my videos, and this is what we have, and see how stable it is. It is so stable and it holds perfectly in heat, and it pipes beautifully. You can frost other cakes with it as well, but I just find it is, and this is the natural color it has. See, this is the natural color it has, but you can also add a little bit of pink if you want the color to be more pronounced, or you can still color it blue or whatever it is you want. The color is pale enough for you to be able to color it anything basically. So thank you guys so much for always watching my videos, and now I'm going to pipe it and show you guys how well it pipes. It pipes wonderfully. And in this video my piping bags were kind of finished, so I had to use a Ziploc bag so it looks a little bit weird, so please pardon me. Okay, so it pipes so well, and I love to use it to make to pipe on top of my cake, and also do a drip on the cake. Usually that's what I use it for. So thank you guys for always watching my videos. I love you guys, and I will see you in my future tutorials. Bye.